Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Memorial Day. It is Saturday actually whenever I'm filming this, and I'm about to clean up the house and get it ready for my grandparents to come over tonight. We're just going to grill out and spend some time outside. It is beautiful outside today. It was supposed to rain and be real nasty, but it ended up being like 83 degrees, super sunny, it's hot, it feels like summertime, so we're gonna soak it up and try to be outside. But I just put Brooks down for a nap, so I thought I would pick up the house really quick, and then we're also going to make some really yummy peanut butter Rice Krispies, and these are my favorite for summertime. So if you guys need a quick recipe idea for the day, make sure to stick around until the end of this video and we'll make it together. It's so good. My grandma actually made them for us last summer whenever we were on our way to vacation. She brought them as like a little road trip snack and they were so good. I've made them a couple times since then and everybody seems to really like them. So we're gonna make those together, and hopefully this will give you a little bit of cleaning motivation in the morning if you guys are getting ready for guests too. But let me know down in the comments what you guys are up to today, how you're enjoying your day off. I hope you guys have a great day, and let's go ahead and get to cleaning. Alright, I'm starting out in the living room, and the first tip that I have whenever you're having guests over is to clean the areas that you know you're going to be in. So for us, that is typically the living room or outside. So for cleaning the house, I decided to clean up the living room really well, and I started out by looking at all of my pillows to see if there were any food marks on there. With Cole and Brooks, a lot of times food, little fingerprints or marks get on there. So I'm cleaning some of the pillowcases with some Shout and just a damp cloth and getting them nice and clean. And that's a tip even before people come. A lot of times it'll dry really quick. So get your pillows nice and clean, and also lint roll your couch if you have pets. Colt does shed, so I'm using my Chom Chom to get all of the lint and dog hair off of all the pillows and the couch itself, just to make sure it's nice and clean whenever people sit down.
We all live on time we borrow, time our children to us lend. Here today, but gone tomorrow, like a spark fly in the wind.
I'm also spraying some room spray throughout the rooms, and I'm using my Caldrea linen spray, which is my favorite. I love the rosewater driftwood scent, and also the pear blossom agave. That's kind of been my summery scent that I've been going for lately. It makes the house smell so good. And then I'm also going to quickly dust the areas that I feel like have gotten a little dusty with my Swiffer duster, and that's just a quick way to tidy up the space and make it feel clean. Next, I'm moving into our guest bathroom, and I'm going to give it a quick cleaning. This is a task that honestly doesn't take that long, but it makes a big difference, and it makes your home feel really clean and welcoming whenever you have a clean space, a clean toilet, you've got fresh hand towels, you make sure you have toilet paper and soap out. It just creates a really nice, relaxed vibe. There's nothing worse than walking into a bathroom and someone needing toilet paper or whatnot. So just clean your toilets, or at least clean the toilets that you think people will be using.
And the drums of war are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. there, right in front of us, for so long buried in the snow. Yes, here we are, shining diamonds, burning bridges as we go. And the drums are warm, are getting louder, a sound you never heard before. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door. Gonna come to your town, gonna find your corner, and we'll soon be knocking on your door.
Now I'm moving into our bedroom. After I made the bed, I'm going to just quickly pick everything up and also put away some laundry that I had folded. I don't know about you guys, but putting the laundry away is my least favorite task. Laundry in general is probably my least favorite task, but I'm going to go ahead and sort them out, put them in their places, and go ahead and hang everything up.
What's the lie? I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you were all he wants?
And since I already had my Swiffer duster out, I'm going to go ahead and quickly dust everything in our bedroom as well, and then spray that Caldrea spray. And then I'm going to vacuum the house. So having clean floors creates a really clean and tidy looking home. I know that whenever you walk across the floors or you're putting your shoes away, you don't want to feel dirt on your feet or collect dog hair or whatever. So cleaning your floors really makes a big difference too.
I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time.
I'm also going to spot clean some paw prints that are on our floor with my Bona mop. This is a great way to get rid of those small places and you can just pick it up and go. So I love my Bona mop for that reason. I'm also going to go ahead and set the table. So in doing so, I'm going to make room for more people by bringing in a bench and moving some chairs to the sides. And I'm also going to put a washable tablecloth on. I got this from Walmart a couple weeks ago and I just love it so much. It's going to come in so handy this summer for inside and outside. And then I just brought that bench in. It is from our patio set outside, but it really creates a lot more seating at our kitchen table. And I'm going to just quickly wipe it down. That way it's not dirty whenever people sit down. Alright, now we're going to make some peanut butter Rice Krispies, and this is actually a recipe from Molly A from Girl Meets Farm. I love her cooking show and I'm always so inspired, but my grandma actually made these Rice Krispies first whenever we were going on vacation, like I said earlier, and we just loved them after that. So the first thing you're going to do is melt 6 tablespoons of butter over medium heat, and once that has melted, you're going to add 16 ounces of mini marshmallows and a half a tablespoon of kosher salt. Once that's melted, and it might take a little bit, but just continuously stir it up and it will melt. Then you're going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and you're also going to do 6 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. And then you're going to mix that all together until it gets kind of swirly. Next, you're going to add in 6.5 cups of Cocoa Krispies, and then you're also going to crush up 1 sleeve of graham crackers, and also add 1 cup of milk chocolate chips and 1/4 cup of sprinkles. Then you're going to butter a pan. I'm using a throwaway 9x13 pan. You're going to pour the mixture into there, and then you're going to press it down as much as you can with your wooden spoon. And then what I like to do is get some parchment paper and just kind of press it all into place. That way it doesn't get your hands all dirty and you can get it nice and dense. And that's about it. They're so good and we absolutely love them. You can also cut them up into squares and stick them in a Ziploc bag if you guys are headed somewhere and would like to take them for a dessert. Alright, now it's time to do dishes, and then I will be done with this cleaning video and my grandma and grandpa will be coming over. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it brings you lots of cleaning motivation. I know it's actually a day after Memorial Day when this video goes live, but I thought you guys would still like to see it. And the next video that I post on here will be a morning cleaning routine. So I'm really excited to have that one go up for you guys. And let me know what videos you guys are most excited to see next. I also have my summer home tour coming up as well, and if you guys missed my summer clean and decorate with me video, I will have it linked down below so you can get caught up. But I used a lot of lemons and also went for a beehive theme, and I love how it turned out. So make sure you go watch that one and let me know what you guys think. I also wanted to show you guys this cute little Dollar General glass and this lemonade that I found from Sam's. It is so good and the perfect treat after I just got done cleaning. So I'm gonna make myself a glass of lemonade, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video. Let me know if you like to see recipes in with cleaning and just all around homemaking. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on a video, and hit that bell so you're notified every time I post. Thanks again for being here. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.